It is Fat Bob time. Let's go. Man, this is a totally different riding position. It nearly feels like I'm riding a fucking dirt bike. So I'll take it on the same track as the other bikes, so we can sort of get the same feel around the same corners and same speeds, etc. Well, that even has the degrees on the handlebars, so you can figure out what angle you like them on. Not that they'd stay on there for long anyway. Yeah, it's the same fucking mirror thing with knuckles, man. Like, they're too close. You gotta lift that shit up. Enough my indicators on or not, can't see it. I'm gonna hope so. Well, no one ran me over, so that's a good sign. Ah, there you are, little green fella. Feels like you could wheel stand this, man. Seriously, I'm not gonna try. I am one of the best at falling off the back of fucking motorbikes. No shit, I've got the skin knees right now to prove it. My brother-in-law bought one of those fucking 300cc trial bikes, you know, the ones with no fucking seat on them, that two-stroke 300cc, and man, I'm not even going to guess at how heavy they are, but they weigh fuck all. You can move them around very easily. Alright, and park back over here again. Oh, what about a bit of shade, eh? That's the shit. Alright. Nice. Easy to get to kickstand, I do love that. Okay, 2018 Fat Bob. This is what I like to call the RoboCop bike, because it's headlight. Still undecided whether I like it or not, but it's growing on me. Big fat sort of off-road looking tyre. Sort of goes with its dirt bike feel actually. Got the big 114 in it. So they got the coil fucking thing where the horn is on this one too. I'll have to take more notice on the new bikes whether they're all there or not. Mine, that's where the horn is, but so a lot of black. I like black. The seat is comfy, but pushes me too far forward. I do love the paint on this bike. That is smick. Black with like a shadowy grey to it. Yeah, with the bar and shield emblem. That's nice, man. That's nice. You would change the pipes straight away because they look fucking terrible. Oh, and that is, they have been changed. My apologies. Two Brothers Racing. Whoops. Oh well, not my cup of tea anyway. So twin brakes on the front. Mostly black. I like it. There's a little bit of chrome. You gotta have a little bit. Let's do it. Wave or nod? What do you reckon? Oh, it's just a fucking stare bear. Didn't even wave or nod, just fucking look at me. Oh, a bit of green light luck. Come on, come on. Okay, so initial thoughts. Rides like a dirt bike. Pretty fucking cool. If you're not a traditional sort of Harley type of guy and you want one, man, have a look at one of these. If you can get past the Robocop thing, it's pretty cool. If you push the controls out and the seat back a little bit, and you're 6'2" like me, this will be comfy, man. Change the bars, change the seat, change the pegs. Well, that's answering my next thing on what would I change if this was my bike. I would leave the front and just decide later if I could live with Robocop or not. Do love the paint. I am a pretty big fan of that. That looks smick. Fucking hell, this thing goes like two wombats fighting under a doona. I do like the handling of this thing. You turning? Yep. So for the dirt bike riders out there that want a Harley, you should consider one of these new Fat Bobs. Quite fucking cool. Good lean angle. .114's got plenty of nuts about it. No cruise control, which as I said should be standard in my opinion. Everything is so easy to change on Harleys, as I've said, you know, like if you don't like the bars, you can change them. You don't like the seat, you can change them. Don't like the grips, the pegs, the fucking mirrors, everything, suspension. But that's another thing I will say about this new Softail suspension, that monoshock, man. It is beautiful and all adjustable. You can do it while you're riding, like it's just down there. You can reach it with your hand. One's the softest, five's the hardest. Just turn it until you find something you like. Hit some bumps. I know these aren't real fucking bumps, but you can't even feel them. Dead set. So yeah, this used to be a Dyna. Now it's a Softail. It's still a cool bike. If anything, when people say that Harley's gone away from their roots, that's actually wrong. If you look right back to the rigid days where they didn't have well, the traditional Dyna shocks on the sides, well, they were rigid, man. And if you look at the line of the bike, you know, from the front of the bars down the frame to the rear axle, these things are probably more traditional looking than, say, my Dyna, you know. So everyone runs their mouths, they get a lot of hate, but go and ride one, man, you'll probably love it. Another thing I'll note too is how light these things feel. Man, they're fucking really nimble, eh? I know I've seen on some other review videos and stuff, I think they said they're 30 pounds lighter, so whatever that is in kilos, I'm not sure, but that's a decent amount of weight. And I'm just wondering if they took it out of fuel capacity, if that's where they save some weight, because, or if that's a dry or wet weight, because this tank looks pretty small too, but they definitely didn't skimp on power, man. 114 cubes, that's enough. Plenty of ponies. I do like the tacho just being there, not digital, or it's easy to keep an eye on. I do like that. Everything's sort of on the one screen that you really want to keep an eye on. You got digital speed, tacho, gear indicator, fuel, and odometer, which you don't really need to keep an eye on. But man, that's pretty awesome. I'm gonna have to cut this traffic so I can give it a stab on the way back. there's no fucking shortage of horsepower in these things. Especially this one is fucking fun, man. If you're a pretty aggressive rider, this is probably the bike for you out of the new range. If you ride a bit hard and like to throw it around, check out the new RoboCop Street Bob. Awesome lean angles on all these bikes. But yes, very cool. Thank you, Sun City. Well, that was pretty fucking cool, guys. I hope you enjoyed those videos. If you did, can you... oh, there's the kickstand, forgot about that. Give them a like and a thumb up and all that shit, and press subscribe and press the bell and all that shit. Thanks, guys. See yous.